Welcome to the channel where we make statistics simple and easy. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more knowledge and sharing of information. A bar chart or a column chart is a chart that is used to show the distribution mainly for a categorical variable. And most of the cases here, you'll find that in a categorical variable, it usually has levels or inputs that tend to repeat themselves within the variable. In this case, we have something like this work domain or I'm putting it in form of like the number of employees in a work domain. So we have the IT, civil development, community, all those. So in this data set, we have a total of 50 entries. These 50 entries are distributed across all these domains. So let me just increase it here a little bit. So once we have the civil development, which are 7, community, health, IT, and management, that is, which totals to 50. So we want to see the distribution. One of the good things about this is that for you to do this analysis, you need to first summarize this data. So once you've summarized this data into this form, so select the data. Once you've selected, go to insert. So once you go to insert, we have all these forms of data sets which are here, forms of charts. So go to drop down menu. So once you go to drop down menu, it has already selected for you a bar chart. And also we still have here the frequency. So you can go to all charts and select column. So we can say select column here. And great, now we have our column chart here, which now shows the distribution. So sometimes you might want to see what is the value represented here, the value represented here, the value represented here. So we still under design, you go to the add chart element and then you click it. Then the labels, then select where do you want the value to be added. Is it at the center where it is? Is it at the side end uh, base at the outside? Depends on where you want it to be. So I prefer it to be on the side end. And another thing is that you can be able to add a lot of things. Let's say here, the chart. So I can just click here and our chart can be, I can just say number of employees. So after that, and then we still have the axis. We need to add what what does this number present and what do these present. So you can just put the axis titles. So the y-axis, we know it is the number of employees, and then here we can say it is the work domain. Great, so we have our chart here. So there are very many other things that we can be able to do this. You can change it into a 3D. You can do a lot of things with the chart. So if you want to change it maybe to a 3D, you come here, change chart type, and then now you'll have it to a 3D in that form and all those. There are very many ways that you can change your chart. You can also change the color, and you just click here and then you right click, then you come to fill, and then you change the color that you want. You can even decide, let's put maybe let's put a yellow color here. Don't know if this is yellow or golden. Just put it there. So that is it. So that's how to. Another thing is that you can see our data has been arranged haphazardly. I might decide that I want from the largest to the smallest, or from the smallest to the largest. So you go to the where you've done your summaries. This is where you've done our summaries. So on the values here, you click those values, and then on the home, you go to the where you have the sort and filter, and then you say from maybe the largest to the smallest. So you can see from the largest to the smallest. Oh, we had put the, let me just remove these total here. So you can go and then go largest to the smallest. Exactly. So we have the health, management, community, civil development, IT. So it tell you all the way. So there are so many ways to present your data. So the same case here, we're talking about bar charts. What do you do? Rather than drawing another chart, you can just come here and maybe decide to change the chart. So you can go design, and then you come on this, select the bar chart, and then you come to the bar chart. and now select it there, and we have changed our chart from the column bar chart. Thank you.